Hi, I'm Monk and this is the Monk Way. Today we'll look at your favorite gaming companies, we'll compare their numbers, look at recent news and upcoming games. If you're a gamer, you should definitely own one of these companies. Subscribe and hit that bell for more stock valuation videos. I make them every day to keep you smart. And leave a like if you're a gamer at heart. The three big gaming companies are Electronic Arts, Activision Blizzard, and Take-Two Interactive. Let's take a look at their value numbers. Activision Blizzard is the biggest company at a $59 billion market cap, with EA coming in second at $43 billion. Take-Two is the smallest at $13 billion, in terms of their stock price compared to earnings. EA is the best value at a 35 PE ratio, still high compared to the average of 24. Activision Blizzard is at 60, and Take-Two is 71. It seems these companies are all overpriced right now. They're all very similar in terms of revenue. Here are their price-to-sales ratios. Looking at how much money the company has, Activision Blizzard is best with a 5.97 price-to-book ratio, followed by Take-Two at 9.07, and EA at 9.5. All three has low debt, under 0.5, with Take-Two at almost 0. Let's look deeper at the return on equity and return on asset. These tells us how much profits they have compared to their equity and assets, the higher the better. Take-Two has ROA of 4.8 and ROE of 12.7, EA has 12.8 and 23.8, Activision Blizzard has 1.9 and 3.6. It looks like EA wins again with good profits, with Blizzard coming in really low. It seems like Blizzard is overvalued at this price. Let's see which had more growth. EA is up 29% in 1 year, 537 in 5, and 800% in 8 years. Activision Blizzard is up 26% in the past year, 443% in 5, and 600% in 8 years, with Take-Two being up 60% in a year, 711% in 5, and 1100% in 8 years. It seems like all three had amazing growth, with Take-Two blowing up really high. Let's look at the biggest games for these companies. We'll start with a personal favorite, Activision Blizzard. They have 374 million players in games made by Activision, Blizzard, and King. The mobile gaming market generated most of their revenue in the past quarter. 51 million from Activision, with games like Call of Duty World War II. 38 million from Blizzard with games like World of Warcraft, Overwatch, and Hearthstone, all with digital content, and 285 million from King with mobile games like Candy Crush. King has 2 of the top 10 highest-earning mobile games in America, just with Candy Crush Saga and Candy Crush Soda Saga. Activision also has games like Destiny, Skylanders, and a new Call of Duty coming in October. Black Ops 4 will include a Battle Royale mode to compete with the popularity of Fortnite. Blizzard has other games such as the Diablo series, StarCraft, Heroes of the Storm, and a possible new Diablo game coming up. Next we have Take-Two Interactive. Their biggest games are Grand Theft Auto 5, NBA 2018, Civilization 6, and WWE 2018. This company generates a lot of revenue from selling digital currency in games like GTA 5. 44% of their revenue is from these currency sales. GTA 5 is also now the best-selling game of all time, with new add-ons being released all the time. A popular upcoming game is Red Dead Redemption 2, expected to be released in October, with sports titles such as WWE 2019 and NBA 2019 being released around the same time. Other series of interest include L.A. Noire, BioShock, XCOM, Battleborn, Max Payne, Borderlands, and Mafia. EA is a company with a huge collection of games. Popular series include Battlefield, Star Wars Battlefront, FIFA, Madden, Sims, and many mobile games such as Plants vs. Zombies, Mobile Sims, NBA Live, and Bejeweled. Upcoming games include Anthem, NFL 19, Sims 4 Seasons, FIFA 19, NBA 19, Battlefield 5, and Sea of Solitude. Next is their earnings beats. Activision Blizzard had 15 beats out of 17, EA had 14 beats out of 17, not bad, and Take-Two had 13 out of 17. All three had beaten most of their earnings. If these companies continue beating expectations, even on overvalued numbers, they can keep rising. Let's see what analysts think of them. Blizzard is a buy according to all the analyst sites. EA is also a buy, with Take-Two being a buy as well. And all three companies had buy to strong buy recommendations, meaning experts are very bullish on all three. Now let's look at their charts for some technical analysis. Here's Activision Blizzard. The red is 50-day moving average and green is 200-day. It seems there's a lot of support on the green line, with the price going up if it dips a bit below it. This company has been on an uptrend for the past 5 years, and it's close to its highest point right now. Not the best time to get in, but if it dips to the green line, it might be a good time to buy the dip. We see something similar for EA. Buying it during these dips might see a quick 20% profit. It's too high to buy right now, but a dip should be a good time to get in. Take-Two is a bit more volatile recently. The 200-day is still supported seen here, so buying it near this green line is smart. All three are bullish right now and overpriced, with EA being the best value. Which company you choose depends on which games you think will perform better. EA is the best value, Blizzard is expensive but could still grow, Take-Two is in the middle. Do you think Red Dead Redemption could see amazing sales, thus generating huge revenue from in-game currency? Or do you think the popularity of Hearthstone, Overwatch, and a possible new Diablo will give Blizzard the edge? Personally, I like Activision Blizzard because of their amazing games like Hearthstone, and Diablo. Call of Duty isn't bad either. Look in the description for my stock market group. All 3 companies are on my watchlist, so you'll get instant updates if I buy any. This group includes my real updated stock portfolio with over $200,000 in the market. Recent winners include Best Buy, sold for a 8% profit in under a month. AMD sold for a 37% profit in 2 weeks. And I just bought 3 new stocks this month. I'm buying a company that could see 100% in returns this week. Make sure to join now because I'm removing the 50% coupon by the end of the month. Subscribe and hit that bell for more stock valuation videos. I make them every day to keep you smart. And leave a like if you're a gaming investor. Keep watching to buy the best gaming stocks, the Monk way.